One of the elements of challenge that we found in the industry is the fact that most people, when they try and get a batch record system, it's a very customized event. So they have to pay somebody, they come in, they code the process into the solution for them. So it's extremely expensive to get it up and running, it's extremely expensive to move it to all your lines, and it's even more expensive to do change control on it. So it's a very big feature, but it's the builder tool that ships with this product. The ability for the company to simply create new production records with ease, very quickly, to be able to control their own destiny by being able to change those, do the appropriate change control and alter their processes, basically giving the companies the ability to run their business as their business sees fit instead of trying to be withheld to these customized solutions. And most companies that have gone that path only put that solution on their highest producing line, their bread and butter line, because they can't afford to move it out to the other lines. They can't afford to do more implementations. And so that's the thing that I love the most, is this solution goes all the way from your 1,500, 2,000 employee manufacturing plants, all the way down to a 5 or 6 employee manufacturing plant. Everybody benefits from this because of that tool.